This video is not just about animals. It is about the art of hunting, which humans have almost forgotten. You will see how animals win, without noise, without words, without missing. An eagle sits on top of a cliff. It doesn't move, but it sees a mouse on the ground, a kilometer away. One flight, one strike. That's it. An owl flies silently. Its wings absorb the sound. The mouse under the snow, it doesn't hear, it doesn't feel, and already, it's in the claws. The snake hunts in silence. It doesn't see with its eyes. It senses heat. As long as you breathe, it knows where you are. The cat presses itself to the ground. Each paw is on a pad. It is in no hurry. It waits. And when the moment comes, it's all over in a split second. The fox listens under the snow. One leap, blindly by sound, and the target is right under its paws. The dolphin cannot see its prey. It scans for it with sound. It knows where it is, even in murky water. The bat hunts in complete darkness. It flies through the branches, reflects the sound off the insect, and catches it in flight, without fail. Beaver hunts differently. It listens to vibrations in the water and knows who is approaching long before they meet. The orangutan is not a predator, but its hearing is emotional. It can understand who is hostile, even before they speak. The frog,